Hi guys, this is Savannah with Algae Research and Supply. Today I'm going to be showing you the process to make seawater agar plates. We're going to be streaking them with nanochlorosis culture. So I've gone ahead and taken some dense culture from some nanochlorosis we have growing in our lab. And here I am pouring it into 50 milliliter falcon tubes. We're going to be centrifuging these. So I'm going to be filling up 8 of those. Here's 8 of them there. And then this is our centrifuge. So I'm going to be filling them into the little slots there. Make sure it's evenly balanced. And all the caps are tightly on so that they don't open while the centrifuge is in process. So I'm going to go ahead and put those all in there. And last one there. Close the lid and then power button. And it's at 4,000 RPM. And then there you go. We're going to let it spin for about 10-15 minutes. And here I am about 15 minutes later. And you can see it spun it down. There's a little pellet at the bottom of each of the falcon tubes. So I'm removing them all from the centrifuge now. And here I am. So removing all the supernatant from the falcon tubes because we only want the pellet. We want a dense culture for our plates. So I removed the supernatant, and then I'm using a squirt bottle of water, just putting a little squirt in there, putting the cap on and shaking it up to dislodge the pellet, then pouring that into a clean beaker where we're going to be collecting it from each of the 8 falcon tubes. So you can see it's pretty dense, dark green. So this is just a before and after. That's before and that's after. And then that's the supernatant on the right there. So you can see it's very dense after centrifuging. So now moving over to our flow hood to streak some agar plates. I made these plates earlier this week. They are seawater plates to grow seawater algae strains. Nanochlorosis is an algae strain that we grow, very resilient and robust, and we're going to be streaking these plates here. And there's a little smiley face. Yay! That's the process. If you're going to be a part of our APSI trainings, you're going to be receiving one of these plates. And there we are.